Guys, welcome to the first annual Toy Championships on YouTube. You see, have I three contestants, sub-contestants, I meant to say, and we're going to face some challenges. First up, the obstacle course. The Rambusan's video contains 5 Pokeballs and 5 shiny without getting caught. The first one to get to finish is the winner. So, let's get this started. Move the can. So you have the yellow guy. Come on. Oh, we did it. Next up, the monster. Oh, I'm gonna place Chucky. Placing here. And put the crab here. And X winding up. The mummy's already lined up, so I'm gonna line it up some more. Here's his mummy. The mummy. Right here. Let's see what Yellow is doing. Looks like come on. And he's done. Yellow's colors are winning. I did listen to my TV, Annie. So, that's all the time we have for today. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to Yokai Fancy's YouTube channel. And remember, have a wonderful Tuesday. See you next time.